Hello my dear family, welcome to my kitchen. For all my new viewers and subscribers, welcome to my channel, and to my current subscribers, thanks for your continued support. Though it's summer, it's a cold day in Melbourne today, so I'm making a comforting and flavorful chicken noodle soup. The ingredients for this recipe are chicken thighs, olive oil, onion, garlic cloves, carrot, potatoes, frozen peas, chicken stock, vegeta, black pepper, salt, pasta, and coriander leaves. Please find all the quantities in the description below. I prepare all my ingredients before I start cooking. Then I heat some olive oil and add the onions. I stir the onions until they are translucent, add the garlic and saute them together for 30 seconds or until the garlic is fragrant. I add the carrots and potatoes, mix for a minute and add vegeta, 1 liter of water followed by the chicken. I'm using bone-in chicken thighs. I took the meat off the bones and diced the chicken into bite-sized pieces. As you see here, I added the bones too because they add flavor to the soup. I like doing this when I'm in a hurry. I also add black pepper to taste and cook this covered for 15 to 20 minutes. I add the pasta into the pot and cook this for 3 to 4 minutes. Then I add the frozen peas, mix to combine and cook this for 5 more minutes. I now adjust salt to taste and let it simmer for a minute or two to allow the salt to blend in. I check the pasta and it's cooked to my liking, so I add the chopped coriander and turn the heat off. This soup is a complete meal by itself, but it can be paired with a slice of bread if preferred. If you like this recipe, kindly share it and give it a big thumbs up, and for more of my simple recipes, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new recipe. This is it from me today. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my next one.